Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks back again with another video. Now, if I look like I'm still in the same day, I am, okay? I just finished doing a video on tips and ways that you can actually boost your nutrition up without buying all of those vegetables and fruits. And if you have to buy them, ways to keep them fresh longer. So this way you can enjoy them. They won't waste. They won't be perishable items unless something happens to your electricity. But other than that, you can still get your nutrition up. You can still boost your body up and save money because, yeah, check that video out. I'll have the links down below. But in this video, it's very short. I have a special guest that I'm getting ready to interview, okay? Because this person came with an awesome testimony on their weight loss journey. And this person lost 200 pounds in 1 year. Now, you know, I get a lot of comments under my videos. A lot of people who are skeptical of when I post a video that says you can lose 30 pounds in 15 days. They're a little skeptical that you can actually lose a large amount of weight in a short period of time. Sometimes doubters, they don't believe it. You can't possibly lose that kind of amount of weight. Is it safe? Well, this gentleman has the best, the most awesome testimony of how he dropped all of that weight. And that's a video that I'm just trying to build up towards because I wanted to do it this weekend. I wanted to interview him this weekend, but with all of the scare and everything that's going on around in New York, I didn't get a chance to really link up with him to bring him forward with his testimony. But please stay tuned because that video is one that you do not want to miss. He was almost 400 pounds, y'all. 400 pounds, and he dropped 214 pounds in 1 year. And he's healthy. He doesn't have that loose sagging skin, some loose skin here and there, but nothing where you would see on some people where it's hanging and they have to have it surgically removed. So for those of you who are battling more than 50 pounds of weight loss, and you are having a really hard time trying to stay focused, trying to stay mindful, also trying to stay positive, and just trying to lose all of that weight, this brother right here is going to encourage you all because it is definitely possible. There will be pictures, before and now pictures, so that you can see. All right, I'm even going to try to see if I can convince him into doing some body shots. I don't know if he's going to be wanting to do that. Just basically chest shots. And I'm telling you, you will be amazed. So stay tuned for that powerful, informative, encouraging video, because hearing his story and seeing what he looks like, I have to bring him here to encourage you guys, to let you see. Listen, it's possible because it all starts here. And once you got your mind ready and you're dedicated, you will do what's necessary. And he's healthy. He's healthy. But the only thing that's a danger is the psychological mindset that you may have after losing that amount of weight. If you've been overweight for such a long time, when you finally see yourself in a smaller frame, sometimes it can be scary because you've seen yourself one way, and sometimes you can get to that point where you don't realize that you are taking yourself down too much. Okay? And that's what happened to me in the beginning. I didn't see myself the way others saw me until I opened my eyes and really saw in pictures that, yeah, you have taken yourself down too much. And that's the same issue that he's having now, where It's becoming now a mental battle with food. But it is a psychological thing that you can go through when you are trying to eat, but you don't want to eat. Okay? You don't want to gain that weight back. You're so scared to gain that weight back, so now you're scared to eat. You've created such a boring regimen for yourself that food has become so boring. And that happened to me at one point. That's why I had to make it fun. You're eating the same old stuff again. And it's becoming to the point where you're just nibbling just to take away that hunger. And you're eating less calories than you really should be eating. And that's where the psychological problems can come in. So you really have to stay mindful and not allow yourself to get trapped into that mental, it's like an illness. Just like people who are bulimic, I think. Bulimic and where you throw up after you eat because you're scared to gain that weight back. So you think that throwing up your food is a way for you to get your nutrients and then throw it back up so you don't have to deal with all of that weight. No, you can have psychological problems and deal with food in a way where you're scared to eat it. You're scared of what it can do because you've worked so hard to bring your body down. And he's kept this weight off for at least 3-4 years. I'm not even going to go too deep into that. But you got to stay tuned for that interview because it's powerful. It's really powerful. And it's going to bring some light to some of your situations. All right? So stay tuned for that video. But this is just a pop-in video just to let you know what's coming up soon and how not to get trapped in that mental mindset of being scared to eat once you've gotten to your goal. Because that's where you can really get into some serious issues if you don't stay mindful of what you're eating every day. Even if it means you have to write a log. Get a log down in a book what you've eaten for the day. Every single thing, whether it's water, whether it's fruits, whatever it is. Take a daily log. And this way you can see for yourself on paper what you've been feeding your body. Whether it's not enough, where it's too little and you're not really getting your full nutrients for the day, or where you're eating way too much or the wrong foods and you're killing that diet. So stay tuned because I got a lot of goodies coming up for you guys, okay? And for those of you who are battling a large amount of weight, I got you. I got you, all right? So y'all, be safe, be safe, be safe. Check out the video links that I have down below for ways and ideas for you to be able to boost your immune system up. Things that you can purchase at your Whole Food stores, at your GNC and vitamin shop. If you don't have those stores in your neighborhood, links down below for items like black seed oil that can boost your immune system, as well as the green tea leaves, as well as the black seeds, the kalanja seeds. And like I said, I get all of these things in my area in New York, which is why it's hard for me to move out of New York, because as overpriced as it is, there's just things that I got access to. So I have a lot going on in my eBay store. In the links down below, check out my eBay store. Check out the Amazon affiliate links that I have down below in the description bar, where you will find all of these things and more. And also, you know, invest wisely, because these are perilous times that we're living in. I just was in the store this morning because we were low on toilet paper, and that seems to be a craze going on where you can't even find it in a lot of stores. And this morning I got up real early. I hit the first store, well, the second store actually is where I found it, and it wasn't my brand, but you know what? I got enough of that, all right? But being out and about, it's really scary because our regular necessities, it's hard to find. And the shelves are empty in certain areas, although you have food in the supermarket. For now, if you got deep freezers, y'all, listen, start buying things that will stretch, okay? And if you're on a weight loss journey, this is a perfect time to cut back anyways, because like I said, you can invest in some of these green powders. If you can't afford those vegetables and all of that and fruits in the supermarket, invest in these green powders, these superfoods. That's going to do a whole lot in boosting your immune system. If you're asthmatic and you have underlying issues, these things will help. These things will boost you up and feed your body right. All right? But just take care for now. Be safe out there. Be wise in your spending. Don't be... Boy, I tell you, there's a lot of people in this world that's just, wow, grubbers. There's a lot of fights breaking out in the stores, people getting hurt, people getting smacked, jumped, whatever. Be very wise, y'all. Stay away from those large stores if you can. If not, go when it's really early, right before they even open the door. Sit outside in your vehicle, and when they open that door, you be one of the first people in there, and get out of town after you finish, because the mobs in the malls, the mobs in these shopping centers where there's a Walmart, where there's a BJ's, it's ridiculous. Even when there's a Target, there was a line outside the door going in Target. Okay, that's how crowded it is, and it's like pandemonium everywhere. I'm not gonna allow this virus to make me nervous or scared about nothing when you know what you gotta do. Buy garlic. Okay, these are things you need in your house to strengthen yourself. Garlic, cloves. Okay, start brewing your garlic tea. Buy lots of ginger. Ginger and garlic are two herbs that really take a long time before it spoils. So you can have it in your house for a while and don't have to really worry about it spoiling so fast. Invest in your teas, your green teas, especially your green teas. Powerful antioxidants, y'all. But I already spoke about these things and more in the video down below. So check those links out, okay? So y'all, in the meantime, be safe, be wise, and boost your immune system up. All right? And until the next video, y'all, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.